Why is turnover so high during the first year? It's approximately 30% of the salary plus benefits to replace an employee, given the high costs to acquire a new employee. But the first year of turnover then may be your most costly turnover. And the more you look at this, you can actually see that the highest turnover occurs in the first 6 months. So you might again ask, why? Well, think about what we've been covering: clarity about communication, about job expectations, the use of solid onboarding, orientation, initial training, education. But we know how mishires are created, don't we? When you hire by desperation and ignoring how important finding the right fit really is. So if things aren't clear, communication not regular, things can go sideways quickly.